Now, I'm going to show you exactly what your options are in case you want to make sure the song on your Apple Music is playing on repeat. Now, imagine that you like one song so much that you want to play it over and over again, but you don't know how. This is exactly what the video is going to solve right now. So, at first, open up the music app like this, and you may get some pop-ups or whatever is happening. But if you want to put a song on repeat on Apple Music, you have to play the song at first. So let's say I'm going to play this one right here. It doesn't matter. It's just an example. Right now, you have to get through this entire view of the song, like you have to make it full screen. But at the bottom, you can see right now I'm inside the lyrics. So I'm going to get outside of the lyrics, and I can play it, I can do whatever I want in here. To click on, or to get it to repeat, I have to click on the three dots right here, and more options show up, and I can add it to my library, play it as much as I want, or I can click on this little three lines right here at the bottom, and this shows me multiple different options. I have the shuffle, I have the repeat, and I have the endless repeat. So I can click on them and animate them as much as I want. But you can see that when I click on the repeat, it is selected, but when I click on it one more time, there is little one number at the top right here. So you can see that when this is selected, when I double clicked on the repeat button, it means that when it is one, when there's literally the number one, it means that this one song is going to be played over and over again on the Apple Music. So this one song is being played on repeat. Without the one, when I just select it like this, the entire playlist is going to be played on repeat. So that's an option as well. You can play with it if you want, but click on it one more time and only this one song is going to be played over and over again. So yeah, these are the options which you have. You can of course edit it or like get outside of that, and still the indicator at the bottom is there. So you can still see that the repeat is enabled for only one song there. So that's very cool. That's exactly how we want it. Of course, as you have noticed, this is a playlist. So in case I want to repeat the playlist, I can just do the same stuff. But once I play it, I have the options to just click on it like this and make sure that it's only selected once and the entire playlist is just getting repeat. So that's very useful, and that's basically all the stuff that you need to know. However, I need to show you one more thing which you definitely need to know about, and it is the Foxtecc educational platform. You can join it for free. The link is down below, and inside you can find other people who are learning about their devices, and also free video editing courses, for example, for social media, or in-depth guides for the iPhone, like iPhone apps explained in depth, many different things for free accessible in here. So go ahead and do that, and I will see you inside of the Apple Music or Foxtecc educational platform. So see you guys later.